Welcome to the knowledge series of IT Pathshala. In this tutorial video, we'll be discussing the IT Awareness and Terminology module of our knowledge series. We have divided this module into 4 parts. Right now, you're watching the first part of the IT Awareness and Terminology module. And in this part, we'll talk about the role of Internet, networking, and operating systems in information technology. We will also give you an overview of all of these technologies so that you know how these technologies affect your day-to-day lives. IT stands for Information Technology. It refers to anything related to computing technology such as networking, hardware, software, internet, or the people that work with these technologies. Information technology is used to create, store, exchange, and use information in its various forms such as business data, voice conversations, still images, motion pictures, multimedia presentations, and so on. Information is the key ingredient that drives our lives today. We all rely on information technology to store and process information. So it is essential that we safeguard the information and ensure information security. Here are the most common security mistakes. Leaving your computer unattended while it is unlocked, opening email attachment from strangers, plug and play external devices without protection, not reporting security violations, not knowing internal threats, poor password etiquettes, and password sharing. In order to keep your information secure, choose an operating system based on its security and vulnerability. Choose a web browser based on its performance and vulnerabilities because most malware come through your web browser. Use strong passwords in your user accounts. Install a premier antivirus software. Install software such as spyboard search and destroy, hijack this or adware to deal with spyware and have your systems scanned regularly. Install a firewall. Implement a regular backup routine. Consider physical security a priority. Be aware of email exposures and dangers. If you use the same password on multiple websites, it is necessary to keep the password at a secure place. Create strong passwords and update your passwords periodically. Networking is the practice of linking two or more computing devices in order to share resources, exchange data, or allow electronic communication. Local Area Network or LAN. Local Area Network or LAN is a computer network that interconnects computers in a limited area, such as a home, school, computer laboratory, or an office building. Wide Area Network or WAN. Wide Area Network or WAN connects networks in larger geographical areas, such as in a state, country, or the world. Metropolitan Area Network or MAN. A metropolitan area network or MAN is similar to a local area network but spans over an entire city or a campus. Metropolitan area networks are formed by connecting multiple local area networks. Thus, MANs are larger than LANs but are smaller than WANs. Internet is a means of connecting a computer to any other computer anywhere in the world via dedicated routers and servers. When two or more computers are connected over the internet, they can send and receive all kinds of information such as text, graphics, voice, video, and computer programs. Some of the most popular things that people use the internet for are email, chat, video chat, searching, uploading or downloading, social networking. An operating system or OS is the first piece of software that a computer executes when you turn the machine on. Operating systems are responsible for everything from the control and allocation of memory to recognizing input from external devices and transmitting output to computer displays. The operating system lets you run the other software on your computer. The most popular operating systems in use today are Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Windows operating systems are designed and produced by Microsoft Corporation. Estimates suggest that 90% of personal computers use the Windows operating systems. Linux is a Unix-like computer operating system assembled under the model of free and open source software development and distribution. As an open source operating system, Linux is developed collaboratively. meaning no company is solely responsible for its development or ongoing support. Companies participating in the Linux development share research and development costs with their partners. Mac OS is a series of operating systems developed by Apple Inc. for their Macintosh line of computer systems. Mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones also include operating systems that can run third-party applications. These operating systems are developed specifically for portable devices and therefore are designed around touchscreen input. Android is a Linux-based mobile phone operating system developed by Google. Android is unique because Google is actively developing the platform but giving it away for free to hardware manufacturers and phone carriers who want to use Android on their devices. Windows Phone is a series of mobile operating systems developed by Microsoft. It is primarily aimed at the consumer market rather than the enterprise market. iOS is a mobile operating system developed by Apple for the iPhone line of smartphones. Unlike Microsoft's Windows Phone and Google's Android, Apple does not license iOS for installation on non-Apple hardware. BlackBerry Os is a mobile operating system developed by BlackBerry Limited for its BlackBerry line of smartphones. The BlackBerry OS is best known for its robust support for push internet email. Like Apple, BlackBerry also does not license BlackBerry OS for installation on non-BlackBerry hardware. First part of IT Awareness and Terminology module ends here. In this tutorial, we discuss the role of Internet, networking, and operating systems in information technology. In the next part of IT Awareness and Terminology module, we'll talk about the common terminology of information technology.